stick. How to unbox it, you just have to remove. It comes with this small cloth. This is a factory testing. You have your manual. You also have, it comes with extra bobbin, extra needle threader. Comes with all that. You need all this to be able to work effectively. It uses adapter. You can use a DC. If you have adapter cable, you fix it here, you fix to electricity, and then you are, good to go. It also uses batteries. 4, you turn 2 down, 2 up. It has this lock here. If you are fixing in your cloth or whatever you want to sew, you don't want the upper part to be moving up and down. All you need to do is that you lock it here. It has this locker, and then you can only use the rotary wheel to move it up and down like that. Okay, and then it comes with the thread fixed already. So once you pick it, you can start using the machine. But sometimes you want to change the thread, you want to change the color, or it's finished, you want to change it. All you need to do is to remove this side gently. You just pull it gently and it's removed. So there is always this spring. Make sure that the spring doesn't pull off. You have, if you're using a longer thread, this bobbin, you have a longer one, then you use this one, then you fix it here. Alright, you fix it here. But if you're not using the long one, short one like this, then you fix it here. Make sure your spring is already there, then you fix this one on it. You start by first going through this side. This is the first stage. You go through this one. Good. Then this is the tension. This is what you use to control the stitches, whether it's too loose or too tight. If it is too loose, you turn it to the right like this. If it's too tight, you turn it to the left. So whilst you are sewing, this is what you use to control the thickness, the size, the spacing and all that. So this one must go through the upper part. It doesn't go through it in a circular motion. It just goes through halfway. Then there is this ring down there. So this must go through the ring like this. It goes through the ring. Like that. The last stage is to channel the thread through the needle. It comes with this needle threader, and it helps you to thread it. So all you do is to put this one you have a small loop, then you channel the thread through that loop. Then you pull it, you are done. Alright, now this let's see how it sews. Let's sew something and see how you can use this machine to sew. So I have this as my material, my dress or whatever. You lift it up, then you remove the lock. Your thumb should always be on the knob here when you are sewing, and then it sews from left to the right. So you always fix it at this end. You can use this hand to support it at this end. Good. When you get to the end of your sewing, you can lock the top like this, and then you raise the needle to the highest point. Then you use your right hand to lift this one. Then you can now remove your glove from the machine. So you can turn it once like this, up and down, to release the thing for you. Make sure you press the end here, because there is a loop here you are going to use to lock it. Pull it a little longer. You cut. When you cut, when you pull this side, it will unravel and remove the whole stitch. So there is a loop here you need to use to lock it. So you open the loop. You make sure that you open the loop, and then this will go through it. And then once it passes through it, it's locked. Once it locks, you have a very solid. It's very, very solid, like that. You sew. I've had few complaints of people saying that it's not sewing, and then what we realize is that sometimes the needle goes too deep. If the needle goes too deep and you are sewing, you realize that it will not sew. When it happens like that, all you need to do is to do adjustment or adjust the needle. You try to push it down a bit, and then it will work. You can loose it like this. Then this one you can pull it out or adjust it and then fix it back. That is it. Then another important lesson in fixing the needle, there is a flat edge which must always be in front, and make sure that the hole of the needle is facing the front part of the machine. So it moves from the front to the back, or from the back to the front. It doesn't move from side to side. So in fixing, you have to be mindful of that. All right.